Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I'm running out of parts to put back on the engine. Everything is going well. Well, so far, everything is going well. Engine's put back together for the most part. I still got a lot to go. Well, not a lot, but still got a good amount to go, I should say. Still got the accessory drives to go. Still got to put the crank pulley on. Still got to put the intake on. Still got to put the oil filter housing assembly on. Still got to put the dual mass flywheel on. So yeah, we're getting there. Still got to put the transmission on. We got a junkyard transmission, and we're gonna see. We're gonna inspect that transmission, see how it looks. We're gonna service it. We're gonna change the fluid out. We're gonna put a new filter, a new O-ring. Always change the O-ring on the oil filter housing a Goombas. And yeah, intake ports are looking good. Still got to clean the engine up a little bit. We did remount the fuel injector ports with a, I think it was like a brass brush or something like that. Oil pans all sealed up. Valve cover, the special RTV was used. That's all sealed up. I used my brand new mini 1/4-inch snap-on torque wrench to torque down majority of these T30s. Beautiful. I think, you know what, I don't want to say everything's going to go well, but I hope everything goes well. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.